Hey everybody, my name is Omer. I'm the COO and one of the founders here at EasySend. Today I want to tell you a little bit about our story, what we have done in the last few years, and a little bit how we remove frustration from basically any kind of digital project. So we started off with a big, robust mission. We want to actually change the way digital works, digital lives, and how it plays. And the idea behind it is that we basically want to take any touch point that you have with your customer and convert it into beautiful, intelligent digital process without even laying one line of code. So the pain So the pain is very familiar. Like McKinsey says that 4 out of 5 projects these days are not hitting their targets. It can be something about the deadline or something about the output of the project itself. So here with EasySend, we built a drag and drop platform that with it you can convert any kind of digital process to a beautifully designed digital process. You can just upload the paper form and convert it on a press of a button to a beautifully designed digital process. The idea is that it takes a few hours, and to train on the tool itself doesn't take more few hours as well, so the adoption is very, very quick. We're mostly working in the insurance sector, and currently we have 50 customers around the globe. 40 of them are insurance, and the rest are banking. So our most common solution is just take a paper-based form like a PDF, upload it into our system. Using machine learning algorithm, you can actually understand where all the fields are, what's the correlation between them, and create a sketch that is already the basic of your digital process. Then using drag and drop components, you can adapt, maintain, and change it and deploy it into production, basically, and start using it with your customers. Now, we understand insurance. You understand that you are a complex organization. You're working directly with your customers. You're working through B2B channels, and you're working through agents and brokers. We want to give you, or we have the features to give you in order to actually take the EasySend platform and utilize it through all these channels. So everything that you want to do and use those processes holistically through all those channels can be done with EasySend, and this is the idea to upgrade your ROI and your conversion. Your value is most important to us. So it's very obvious that if you're using digital processes and not just digital forms or paper forms, the amount of operations will be decreased significantly. No more typing forms into your system, no more defects, the operation will go much smoothly. Regarding the operation cost of the IT, again, for every dollar that you put in, instead of taking 6 months to build one digital process, you can with it in a matter of hours or days. Higher conversion rate, obviously, because the customer will come in. We can actually fill the process online with them and actually make sure that they finish the process correctly in an easy time. And obviously, EasySend will drive your UX and UI to the max. Everything that we do is regarding your C and how they're supposed to be and what their experience. So we are trying to push your NPS score to the roof. Now, we've been around for approximately 5 years. We already created 1,200 processes in the insurance market. We did everything from onboarding, renewal, any kind of updates, processes, approvals, and basically want to give you a consistency throughout the life cycle of your customer, from the moment you touch base with him for the first time until basically he stays with you for hopefully long period of time. Now, we focus 3 main places. We're focusing about building digital process. We talked about it, but we're giving you both integrations options on the platform, something that we created out of the box. We have like 80 different wizards for different integrations, and on top of that, we provide analytical overviews. So regarding the analytical overviews, we're not only giving you the ability to know and track how many transactions you have, but we actually added some sort of optimizing customer behavior. We're now tracking how many times does it take a person to fill out any kind of field, and we can actually explain to you very easily where is the bottlenecks of your processes and how to optimize them. So this is a really cool feature that we are now starting to add to our platform. Regarding integration, EasySend integrates with almost any platform. Like, we don't really have any kind of projects these days that doesn't integrate on both ends, at least after submission to send all the data back to your internal systems. And in the beginning of the process, we want to send the customer already pre-filled links, obviously, so we will have easy time to fill the process. And the idea is that we can easily integrate through our services model to any kind of platform. Little bit from our customers. So this is one example. from Zurich Group. We are working with Real Garand. It's a huge agency for car insurance. And they had a robust B2B application, and it has like 150 PDFs around it. So we took it, uploaded it into our builder, built a beautifully designed digital process around it. They are using it, upgrade their conversion to the roof, and they are very happy with it. Another company that we're working with is VGM, an amazing MJA. They came with us with the 5 years, thought of their digital, what they want to do in the next 5 years with the digital channels, and it took us 3 months to execute it. The beautiful thing about it, we only built the first digital process for them. They trained on the tool, they took it by themselves, adapted, and they building the digital process by themselves. So when they call us and say we want to do something, a new process, and we set up we put them on the calendar for next week, they will already probably have it up and running next week. So this is a very cool thing that we like, and they're an amazing partner of us. We're driving digitalization to the roof with them. So this is the last slide here, that a few questions that we brought in already gave you the second answer to the second question. And if you have other answers, please come to our booth 921 and grab your prize. We would love to be there. The team is here. You can see them. Say hi, EasySend's team. And we would love to be here and show you more about our platform and about our product. And thank you very much for having us.